this is the resort that you'll see the sunrise from.
We need to be on the 4:30 before we can leave from here. It takes about 10 minutes to get to the temple. They give us a map. We're now here, and then we will walk until here. This is the temple. Then the sunrise from the east.
I'm so cool. It was a freezing ride all the way.
It rained
before, yeah.
It rained before we left, luckily.
Guys, we're walking there now. You can barely see us. Look, shine a torch on our face.
Show the ticket.
Shine a torch on our face. We're walking there now. The prettiest ghost I ever see.
Amazing.
Show me your scariest face. Come on. Go. Ooh. Yeah, it was very cloudy, so we couldn't see the sun, but we managed to still catch like good time lapse of like the sun breaking from the clouds. Yeah, we're gonna go to like a jeep tour to the volcano. Mount Merapi. It's a 1 hour and 15 minute ride, and we'll see there. Yeah, and I hope Ash don't fall asleep. She has been falling asleep very often, like on the bike. She fell asleep and her helmet hit mine from the back. We just stopped at the side of the road with all the cars moving along, and the reason is because this chick here is falling asleep while riding. She's falling asleep while we are traveling at 80 kilometers, 60 kilometers. You crazy! Please don't wake up. Wake up! Look at his sleeping face. Look at his sleeping face. Look at his sleeping face. Look at his sleeping faces. Not cool at all.
Yo.
And we're here for like a jeep tour. To be honest, it's really cold, and I was actually shivering, to let you on a secret. But when Ash asked me that if I was shivering, I told her I told her the road was bumpy, so that I can remain strong. Like I don't spoil my image,
You're a liar.
Oh, it's not that cool anyways.
Now your image is...
No, it's not that cool anyways. Guys, we're up in the jeep. As you can see, this is our driver. Hi Brandon, what's your name? So he's gonna be our driver for the day. He'll bring us around Mount Merapi, and it's gonna be a crazy ride. We'll fill up the petrol. Of course I'm excited. I mean, check out this place, yo. 2.5 hours.
Yeah, okay.
We got a jeep. Alright, let's go. See ya.
guys, we just woke up from like how long did we sleep for?
7 hours.
We woke up from a 7-hour knockout from dinner. I woke up and it was 11:30, and then I thought it was like in the coming afternoon, and we missed our flight. And I wanted to prank Ash and tell her that we missed our flight, but she was too smart to figure out that no, it's 11:30 p.m. and right now it's like 1 a.m. Thanks to YouTube. Thanks to you, we watched all her like girl videos and everything. And now it's time to pack.